Let's start with the rectangle and draw it like this. Now let's add a stroke and remove the fill. Go here to make it center and stroke value 1.5. Now select the more option. Make the join rounded. Now just double click to see the path option and you can add path like this. Now let's select this corner and we will press delete from the keyboard to cut it. Now let's bring this up and bring this one right to make it visually balanced. We will make the entire rectangle 2 pixel rounded and make the end points rounded as well. Now let's again take rectangle. Make it a stroke. Remove the fill. Let's zoom it a little bit. Make it center. Stroke value 1.5. Now select the pen tool and add new path here. And also here one. Now select the move tool. Now let's bring this part up and also this part to the right like this. Now again select the pen tool to remove this path. Now move tool to select the two corners like this. Now let's bring this up like this to make it look like a pencil. Now let's bring this entire rectangle up. Now select the pencil and go here, make the join rounded, and we will bring this little bit down to make it visually balanced. Now let's check the alignment. Okay, now take the pen tool again. Let's draw like you are drawing something to make it look like a whiteboard and you are drawing in the pen in the board. Okay, let's add, yeah, let's make it like this to make it like you are really drawing. Okay, make it 8 pixels rounded and maybe 0 or yeah, maybe only this. Actually, let's bring this up and make now 16 pixel rounded. Or yeah, now let's select all the paths and make it more rounded, even actually more rounded like this. Actually no, it's not good. So let's try again. It doesn't look good, so let's try again to draw the like you are drawing something. Make it a stroke, center 1.5 and select the path and remove the bottom one, duplicate it and just flip it. Now we will select both of them and make them one. Now let's give it 16 pixels round. Bring it up. Just adjust it to make it look like realistic as much as possible. Okay, yeah, let's try to adjust it more. Yeah, like this. And now let's make the join rounded, also end point rounded. Yeah, all right, looks like we are done, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Let us know what you think and don't forget to give a like and subscribe it. Bye.